Alright guys, this is Bank Nifty and August future chart. So as we discussed earlier that we are looking for short after breaking this level of 44,500. Okay. Now basically everybody knows as just I'm entering in this market. There are 3 points in this market. All right. So basically 3 points, but additionally another point are there, but it reverses that. Let me show you the first 3 points. So if price creating lower low, lower high, so I'm looking for short near breakout of structure. This is called breakout of structure. If price pull back, and we are looking for short in this area. This is my number 1. And number 2, if price creating lower low, lower high, and again goes near supply zone. This is supply zone. That means from where price exactly drop. So here you can see price drop from this area. If price reach that level and from any sell signal, we sell it here. So that is number 2. And another number, if price drop drastically and after that price holding. So once they break this holding, so I just enter somewhere here. This is the third point. Okay. So what happened today? Now you can see price drop, create a lower low and pull back and drop drastically. So in that case, we have seen this is breakout of structure, and I drawn a horizontal line, and another here you can see yellow mark, that is called supply zone. All right. So finally price reached that level, so we enter just before closing the market, and we collect 100 point only. Okay, this is the spot point, 100 point. That's enough because whole day we was waiting, and finally price reached that level and we enter. Now question is there, here you can see very clear uptrend. Here you can see why I'm not interested to take any position. Even price goes up, I think 200 point from this area. Why I'm not interested to take buy position in this area? So in that case, I just find out the seller territory. All right. So means from where seller are activated. That is the important thing. So let's see here. Price are running in a downtrend, pull back, and price drop. So this area entered this area called seller territory. All right. In between this seller territory, we are not looking for buy because still this seller are activated. All right. So that is why we are looking for short near breakout of structure near supply zone. So here in this case, you can see lower low, lower high, and this area called supply zone, and another this is called breakout of structure. So finally here you can see price drop from this day. That is the beauty of this market. All right. So here you can see price pull back, goes up, and price drop drastically. This area called seller territory. So when price are in between this area, means middle of this, or you can say like near seller territory. So here you can see this is the seller territory. So we don't want to buy anymore. All right, we are looking for short now. So now most of the people may thinking, hey, this is the bearish signal. Why I'm not interested to sell? Because my entry point is near where breakout of structure. All right, breakout of structure, or this level called a supply zone. All right. So this type of pattern should appear here or here. All right. So again, here you can see perfect selling point, price drop. So I'm not interested. Again, price here you can see sell signal. I'm not interested. But finally here you can see almost near, and we have seen this is the perfect rejection candle. So let me zoom here. Most important thing. Let me hack this point. Okay. Okay, zoom a little bit. Okay, perfect. Now you can see here. Okay, why we sold here? Now you can see when price are going here, higher high, they are forming higher high. Again, they are forming higher high. They are forming higher high. And here I can see price create a new high, pull back, higher high. But in that area, you can see perfect pin bar and exactly almost near this area. Basically, we maintaining 1:2 or 1:3 ratio. Once my hit my SL, that means 50 point will hit my SL. All right. Again, if they're forming here, if I collect like 300 point of 200 point or 150 point, so I'll recover my loss. Okay, that is why we placing here from this area. Okay. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video, how we exactly enter in this market. So if you want to know more details, you just follow it. Okay, so thanks for giving your valuable time.